In this video, we're going to see a problem from probability. Let us first read the problem. A survey is conducted in which 60% of the individuals who responded indicated that they do not support issuing a bond to help raise money to fund the construction of a new sports arena in their city. A statistician calculates the confidence level to be 95% for an interval of 5% below and above the 60% mark. What conclusion is best supported by this information? Let's look at the answer choices. 95% of the people surveyed do not support the issuing of bond. With the information given, it's clearly mentioned that 60% of the individuals indicated do not support. So we don't get the 98% of the people do not support. Doesn't make sense. So choice A is not the correct answer. The probability that a person selected at random from the sample does not support the issuing of bond ranges from 0.57 to 0.63. Nowhere in the statements they are given anything about 0.57 or 57% to 63%. So this also is not the conclusion we could make. Choice C, the probability that a person selected at random from the sample supports the issuing of the bond is 0.4. Again, there is no way from the statements they are given that you can conclude that supporting of bonds is 0.4. So that is also not the correct statement. So obviously D is the correct answer. But how do we say that? In general, a probability level of X% associated with a confidence does not give the probability that the sample statistic is in the interval of a particular sample. Instead, it states that if a large number of samples are repeatedly drawn, then the sample statistic will be in the stated interval of values X% of the time. In this problem, the range of the interval is 60% plus or minus 5% because it states 5% below and above. So choice D, which says if the survey was repeated 100 times, 95% of the time, the number of people who would not support the issue would fall under 5% less than 60, which is 55, and 5% more than 60, which is 65. So choice D is the one which supports, and that's the conclusion we could make from the statement given. So choice D is the correct answer, and that's how we solve this problem. See you in the next video. Bye.